my name is Holly Mason-Franchitti. My favourite feature of this car is probably the colour, because I chose it and nobody else wanted to have pink and I won. Sorry, you're going to have to take that out.
That's fine, just...
My God, I thought this was going to take 4 minutes. But also the name on the back, which Ben came up with.
It's a 1958 A35, which we bought in Guernsey as a road car. We brought it back and it was a rusty heap, so we stripped it down to bare shell. Freedom on colour within a degree. You have to have the white stripe, you have to have the white roof.
This is my crash helmet. Doesn't quite match the car yet. But the next one will be pink. Let's have a look inside. Just to prove how pedantic Ben is, we've got a pink needle there. And we've had to move the switches down to the middle because I can't reach them otherwise. And we've put in a special seat as well, just to give that extra support for a racing mummy. It's quite little, but I'm quite little, so it's okay. But Mark Hales, who often drives with me, is over 6 foot, so he can fit in here too.
I mean, I've been insulted by Alan Menu. I've been strangled by Rickard Rydell.
Very grunty Nissan engine in the back, as we heard down there on the start line.